Hey, Sarnia Lambton, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and can you believe it is Thanksgiving weekend? And at Sipkens Nurseries here, we are all about the fall things. So whether it's homegrown, beautiful, colorful fall mums, fall decor for decorating, fall bulbs for planting now for great spring color, we want to show you in this video all the fall things happening here at Sipkens Nurseries. And so we'll see you here at Sipkens Nurseries this weekend. We're open Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and we are closed on Thanksgiving Monday. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hope to see you all soon.